Hello, this is Steve Milton, and this is my video showing the movie database with our Razor program, our Razor tutorial that we just went through. All right, so this is the main page. I mean, if I click on Home, it will take me to the Welcome page. Privacy will take me to the Privacy page. And then if I click on the RP movie, and then it takes me to the movie page with all the movies that I have currently in the database. These were all just seeded just immediately. So this is what I have in there. I already had the Good, Bad, and Ugly in there as part of my seeding, just to keep that consistent. So anyway, so if I do a create new, pulls it up. So let's just pull in, I don't know what the release date was. Something a long time ago, I know that. So we'll just go states that it doesn't say that, but anyway, I'll keep my doing it. I know long before that, but whatever, probably close. There we go. Okay, so there's our date. Genre, that's a, I don't know, drama probably. Price, we'll put it as $4.99. They're pretty cheap right now. Rating, we'll give it a PG. Probably good. Okay. Go ahead and create that. Okay. Alright, so now that shows up down here. It's all there. If I go and edit it, let's just test all our validation. Alright, so it's telling me that's no good. No good. Price. No good. Rating. So all the validation stuff works as well. Go back to the list. If I go and actually try to edit this thing now, we'll change the date of it to July 22nd. Okay. Whoops, I didn't save it, sorry. July 22nd. Save that. We'll save it. Go there, and then it actually makes the change, so that's good. You look at details. I can see the details in that format. Go back. And if I want to go ahead and delete it, it pops up again. I say delete, and it goes away. So everything works perfectly there. It was interesting doing all this. I'm not sure I could do it on my own yet, not even close. So it'll be interesting next week to see how we do with this stuff. But anyway, that's my project. Thanks.